Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on this window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.